Hey everybody, today is going to be a really quick video on how to fix squeaking door hinges. Here's the stuff you're going to need: a hammer and a punch, or a flathead if you can pop the hinge pins out that way. Piece of pipe cleaner. I actually got 3 twisted together. Whatever you want to use for a cleaner. I use Simple Green a lot. A rag. And here is a non-toxic way. It's kind of like Vaseline. If you want a non-toxic way, if you got kids or pets, they're going to be near the hinges. Or you can go with WD-40 silicone. Do not use the regular WD-40. That's more of a cleaner, in my opinion, than a lubricant. That's what you need. First thing you want to do is pop that sucker out. You can see all the stuff on there from the metal to metal and the corrosion, so we're going to clean that off. Next, you want to spray a cleaner. Get this pin cleaned up. If it's really bad, you can use Scotch-Brite or even sandpaper if you had to, but in most cases, any cleaner will clean it right up. Now, apply whatever lubricant you're going to use. In this case, I'm going to use that non-toxic stuff we talked about, Vaseline. There we go. This is the part a lot of people skip. You got to remember, this is all just metal to metal contact. That's what creating that black residue. So if you don't clean out the inside of the bore where the hinge pins go, you're not really doing a job that's going to last very long. So I've already soaked it in Simple Green. I don't know how well you can see that on there, but it definitely got some crud out of there. So now we just drop in that one we lubed and we're done. Here you go. So I've cleaned all 3 pins and you can see how much crud, metal to metal residue that is on those pins. So all 3 are done. Here we go. All 3 pins have been cleaned like I showed you with the one. No more squeaking whatsoever.